just like drinking a whole pot of coffee. Alright, what they're doing down there, folks, they're lining him out to the shred of rubber you just laid down. Big players, players laid down a nice patch of rubber. Reiterating it now. They will have been a brand new hot rod. Alright, we told you about legend racing. That's a legend bullet in that hot rod right there. Oh, man. 151 coming off the starting line. Look at that. 1.121 at the 6.